Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Sales coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be live, and we're talking about Dogecoin freaking pump to the moon, guys. And Dogecoin is pumping right now. It's up over 5%. We're going to be talking about that, and it has something to do with the Starship, guys. And something interesting is happening, and it looks like Elon Musk once again at the Starship Mega Factory. Something has happened for Doge, a huge Doge announcement, huge Doge happening. And could we be seeing that the Doge logo is going to be painted on the side of the Starship? And we're about I think we're about 6 hours from the launch, guys, so that is a great time to be live. So let's jump into content without any further delay. Go back and watch all my other videos. Remember, none of this is financial advice, just an OG in the house expressing my opinion, not a licensed financial advisor. So what's going on with the pre-markets right now? We're seeing that pre-markets are looking okay. We're seeing the pre-markets are green right now. Nasdaq is kind of like neutral, El Blanco out there, but I think we're going to have a pretty good day out there. So overall, it's looking pretty good, guys. Keep in mind that we have a lot of economic data this week coming out. We got the Fed manufacturing, housing start, jobless claims, Philly Fed manufacturing, existing home sales, and services PMI. So lots of stuff happening. Lots of stuff happening out there. We also have a lot of earnings. We got Netflix, we got Tesla, IBM, some real big ones out there. We got a lot of banks out there as well that is going to be happening. First Bank, we got Charles Schwab. Also, we got Morgan Stanley, Unibank, Bankers, Aber. So there's a lot of announcements coming. So hopefully the announcements will be positive, because if that happens, we're going to see that crypto and the markets are going to pump. So right now we're seeing that most of the heat map is down. We're seeing that Bitcoin is at 29,607. Not too much to worry about. A little bit of a dippage, a little bit of correction out there, but we're seeing that Doge is blasting off. We're going to be talking about that. So it's a great time to be alive out there. Let's take a look at the crypto market, see what the heck is going on out there. And overall, we're seeing a little bit of profit taking as well. I wouldn't panic. I wouldn't overly panic. A little bit of a downside correction is actually healthy out there, but I still believe that we're going to see Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and everything go to the moon, guys. So it's a great time to be live, and we're seeing that Ethereum dominance is going uppity up. Maybe we could hit 20% as well. So right now we're seeing that overall we're seeing that Bitcoin is down 2.31%. We're seeing that Ethereum is doing better, so the altcoins seem to be doing much better right now. We're seeing BNB is up 2.15%. We're seeing XRP is down. Cardano is up, but look at the Doge Wozer. Doge Wozer is up 4.69%. We're seeing Shiba Inu is up, so the memes are actually resonating out there, and that is looking good. And we're going to be talking about why is Dogecoin up? Why is Dogecoin up? So we did see that Bitcoin had a bit of a dump, about almost 3% dump out there. I'm not too worried out there. As long as we stay above the 20-day EMA, I'm okay. And I think we got 28.9 as a good area to retest out there, guys. So 28. What is it? 28.9. 28.9 could be the good area that we're going to be retesting. So I wouldn't worry about that, guys. Do not worry about it. If we start to see Bitcoin go below all the EMA ribbons, then it's a bit doom and gloom. But I'm going to show you some TA, some charts, some information that's going to make you feel more bullish and more crazy out there. So it's a great time to be live. DXY right now is trading up. That is not good. We need DXY to go down, and we're seeing that Bitcoin on the weekly, it's okay. You kind of been going sideways for a very long time. We kind of been going sideways since June 2022, almost a whole year, just kind of like going sideways in this whole pattern here, and we have broken out of it. Just imagine that, basically in June 2022 we had the downside, and in March 2023 we had exactly the opposite happen, and since then we've been breaking out to the upside. So this is a little bit of a correction. Do not worry, do not panic out there, guys. It is not that bad overall. So overall things are looking pretty good. We have a nice rounded bottom out there. So rounded bottoms, who doesn't like a nice rounded bottom? Don't get a smash Dogecoin 111. I love it. You love it. So it looks like also too we're seeing that the Ethereum is also breaking down a little bit, down about 2% as well on the last 24-hour period. But overall it's okay. Do not panic out there. Do not panic. So Dogecoin price jumps as the community anticipates the Starship launch. So what's been going on is, as you guys know, we have this whole Starship thing that's going to be launching pretty soon. It looks like this. So it looks like we got about 7 hours to launch. This was done 6 hours ago. So it looks like we're getting pretty close for the SpaceX launch, guys. So that is pretty good. People are saying that maybe there's going to be a Dogecoin posted on the side of it. So that's kind of interesting. But we are seeing that if we look at the Doge is projected on the Mega Base Star Base tonight. So looks like we got the Dogecoin, a meme that's being projected on there. So that is pretty good. And one of the reasons why we're seeing that it's blasting off is because a lot of people are eagerly anticipating the Starship prepares for grand launch and excitement. And remember, this is a Starship, and this is one of the huge potentials to carry cargo and humans. And one of the big cargo that is going to be carrying is going to be the Doge X1 to the moon, guys. And that is when we're going to have a physical piece of Doge, a Dogecoin left on the moon, guys. So that's going to be good. We've got the Doge Cube and all that stuff is going to be left on the moon. So guys, we're getting closer, guys, getting closer to the Starship launch out there. So that is pretty cool beans out there, guys. So hopefully we'll launch out there pretty soon, and this will go off positive. So I'll give you a more update in the next video about the launch, guys. So don't worry about that. Also, guys, we're seeing that yesterday Bitcoin did pass Tesla in terms of being the biggest market cap out there. So interesting out there. Also, Elon Musk was talking about this. I think it's kind of interesting to kind of listen in on this. And Justin Elon Musk says I don't want to say these guys had full access to Twitter user activity, including DMs under previous management. Listen to this.
The degree to which various government agencies had effectively had full access to everything that was going on Twitter blew my mind. I was not aware of that.
Would that include people's DMs?
Yes.
Wow. So that is also breaking news as well. That the previous owners of Twitter allowed the government, the feds, to have full access to everything. So that is kind of interesting out there. Also, too, right now, if we take a look at what's going on for Dogecoin is blasting off to the moon. It's at 0.928. So hopefully we did go as high today as 0.949. Hopefully we'll blast up and continue going up, guys. So that is pretty good. Dogecoin tokenomics right now, we're seeing that Dogecoin is up. The volume is up 111%. That's almost over 1 billion. And we're seeing the market cap is about to break through 13 billion. We're seeing right now Dogecoin 101. We're seeing that almost 60, should be about 63, right? 64% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money, and we're neutral out there. So that is looking good out there, guys. So guys, remember, don't sleep on Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is in a huge accumulation. It is still in huge accumulation zone, guys. So get it while you can. It's a great time to be alive. And guys, looks like November 30th, 2022. The European Central Bank said the apparent stabilization of Bitcoin's value is likely to be artificially induced. So this was a whole bunch of FUD. But since then, since that article has come out here, Bitcoin is up 80%. So, exactly as predicted, it did not go down. So they don't know what they're talking about out there. So that's kind of cool. Also, guys, rounded bottom with more than a 2-year duration. So we're seeing that on the weekly time frame, we're seeing a nice rounded bottom. Who loves rounded bottoms? And if you love rounded bottoms, smash our freaking likes. Dogecoin 101, Dogecoin to the moon, guys. And it is looking pretty good out there, guys, for Bitcoin. So hopefully this will take us up out there, guys. Also, we're seeing here, this is exactly the BTC retest I was talking about. BTC is currently successfully retesting the top of the bull flag, a price breakout from a few days ago. Hold here, and we're going to be contributing to a continuation, and that could take us way up. So we did break out of this whole bull flag on the 1-day chart. Looking pretty good from that perspective out there. We've getting up a little bit. We're kind of back under this resistance, and we have to retest that, guys. So far, it's looking pretty good. Looks like, for all of you that are scared for the 10K doomers, be calm. A pullback is healthy. Take a look at the BTC with super trend indicator. A buy was printed on the weekly chart. Nothing only goes up without pullbacks. So like I said, having a pullback is very normal. We had this whole buy signal. It's very normal to have a pullback, guys. And I'm going to be buying some more Bitcoin. As soon as you guys finish watching this, I'm going to be loading up on some idiot baby out there. Looks like if you take a look at the X fractional, possible scenario if price holds above 29.8. And right now, like I said, Bitcoin right now is at 29.5. So based on that fractional, we need to get up there. And if you take a look at what happened in previous cycles, guys, we are going to be moonshotting. And if this cycle, look at this cycle, if it plays out, we could be seeing a $35,000 Bitcoin coming in very shortly, guys. It looks like also we got the diamond pattern has broken out on a weekly chart. Bitcoin has just broken out of the diamond pattern with the latest candle, which closed today. This confirms a continuation pattern having target at 41K. So we just broken out. It looks like 41K is definitely there. If we take the base of the candle to the point of breakout, measure up here, we should have a measure move to 41K. Yes, we're having a pullback. Yes, all the Debbie Downs are having a pullback, but it is normal. Pullbacks are good. Do not panic out there. Absolutely do not panic out there. Let's take a look at what's going on with Shiba Inu right now. Shiba Inu is also pulled back as well, but it's still above. It's still trending above the yellow super trend line, so it's still looking okay out there, guys. If you got a crypto on a centralized platform, get it off there. Get a NANO Leger. The link is down there, and they got this promo on right now as well, which is really cool. Be part of the freaking conversation, guys. That's gonna bring this video to a close, guys. Don't forget to get to Mug to Mug. Don't forget to check out all of the links, guys. Check out all the linky winkies out there. We got the Dogecoin tippy chart, we got the Patreon, guys. Also buy a channel coffee, and these are some exchanges I like. Click the links, and guys, I think you get like a bonus out there. So go get that and become a channel member, guys. So once again, be blessed, be well, peace out.